Mastering outlines, bullet points and numbering magic. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting video on improving your English reading and writing skills. Today, we're going to dive into a critical component of reading comprehension strategies, identifying main ideas and supporting details. Specifically, we'll focus on how to use bullets and numbering in outlines. This is a simple yet powerful tool to help you extract, understand, and remember key points from any text you read. Outlines are like the skeleton of a piece of writing. They provide structure, showing you the main points, bones, and their supporting details, connective tissues. Bullets and numbering are like markers that help us organize these points in a clear, concise way. Bullets are great for unordered lists, where the sequence isn't critical, while numbering is perfect for a series of steps or a list where order matters. Now, let's get practical. To use bullets in an outline, you start with a bullet point and write the main idea. For each supporting detail, you'll create a subpoint underneath the main point. Here's an example. Main idea. Supporting detail 1. Supporting detail 2. Supporting detail 3. It's that simple. This format lets you see at a glance what the main idea is and what details support it. When the order of your points matters, you'll want to use numbering in your outline. This works much like bullet points, but with numbers showing the sequence. Here's how it looks. 1. First main idea. 2. Supporting detail 1. 3. Supporting detail 2. 4. Second main idea. 5. Supporting detail 1. 6. Supporting detail 2. Again, the structure is clear and concise, and you can immediately see the sequence of ideas and their supporting details. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using bullets and numbering in outlines. Incorporating these simple tools into your reading and writing practice will undoubtedly enhance your comprehension and organization skills. Remember, outlines are your friends. They bring clarity to chaos and order to a sea of information. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video useful and, as always, happy learning. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.